Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to block the spam calls and SMS on your Android phone instantly so that you can fully get rid of the unwanted calls and messages. So let's just get started. Open up the phone or the dialer app for that, and once you access it up, you can look out for the three-dot menu at the top right corner and select it. And then select the option of settings from the menu that pops up and access your settings right here. Now what you may do is from here look out for caller ID and spam option if that option is available here. You can just go and look out for that, or call blocking depending upon your device. So you can just go and look out for that option. Or let's say block numbers. It depends upon device. The settings may vary depending upon your phone. So look out for block numbers. And once you do so, what you need to do is you can enable the option of block unknown or private numbers. This one right here. That should filter out the number. Those are unknown and private and directly be blocked. Or what you can do is you can even add numbers manually to block. So in the section right here, add phone number, you can type in the phone number that you would like to block. And once you do so, the contact will automatically be blocked. And that is how you block spam calls via phone app. Or if you want to go ahead and block the SMS via the messages application, what you need to do is access your messaging application for that instead. So go ahead and tap on messages for that. So tap on messages for that, and once you access your messaging application, what you need to do is open up the spam message. So open up the spam message which you think is causing the issue, and once you do so, look out for the messaging person itself. And once you tap on their name, you can look out for the block option. You can look out for a legit number for that. For example, something like this, and when you go to the number, you should be finding an option of block number. So you can tap on block number and confirm it up and tap on block, or look out for the three dot in the top and select it. After that, look out for the block number from these options available here. So that is it, everybody. Those are the method you can follow up to go ahead and block spam calls and SMS on your Android instantly. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.